Hello 5th class, this is page 134, question 3, part D. Tara walks 1/8 of her journey to work. She travels 62.5% of her journey by train, and then she completes her journey by bus. So let's write out what we know. So 1/8 of her journey was walking, 62.5% by train, and 13 kilometers on a bus. Now, 1/8 is one of those percentages that we need to know. That is 12.5%. Of course, if you didn't know, you could work it out. We've learned how to do that already. So this is a little bit like the question with the hair colour of the kids. I know that altogether her whole journey was 100%. So if I add how much she walked and how much she went by train, I'll find out what percentage she went by bus. So 12.5 plus 62.5. I'm going to add these. So when I add 5 and 5, I get 10. 2 and 2 is 4 and 1 is 5. 6 and 1 is 7. So if these two parts make 75%, well then the bus journey must be 25%. So 25% of her journey was 13 kilometers. So then I want to find 100%. 25% is the same as a quarter. So if 1/4 equals 13, then the whole journey for the 4 quarters is 13 times 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, and 1 is 5. So the whole journey was 52 kilometers. And of that journey, 62.5% of it was by train. We want to find out how far exactly she went by train. So we're trying to find 62.5% of 52 kilometers. We're allowed to use a calculator, but do remember how to do that. Okay, so we've got our 52 kilometers multiplied by, that's our of, 62.5%. And we get 32.5 kilometers. Now let's just see, does that make sense? I need a number that's bigger than 13 kilometers because 13 was 25%. If I estimate, 50% would have been 26 kilometers, and 62% is bigger than that again, so it looks like my answer is correct.